Hello, co-armies! Welcome back to my channel. I-flex ko lamang po ang aking preparations regarding on Hope on the Stage at the SM Arena, a new Army Soul at Music Hall. Ito po yung mga freebies na pinagawa ko for the armies. A sling bag made of canvas cloth with the print Hope on the Stage. Ito po ay courtesy ng Neo Graphics Printing Services. Sila po ang aking sponsors for this print. Maganda po yung quality nila at good service po talaga. And then next is the sunflower stickers. It's a glittery stickers. Actually, ordinary stickers lang sana panagawa ko. So, sinuggest nila lagyan nila ng stickers on top to make it more cute. And then sasamahan na rin natin ng candies. These are also made by Neo Graphics Printing Services. And the next one is yung Hop on the Stage magnet. It's a small size lamang siya, 2x2 I think. It's also a sponsored by the Graphics Printing Services. Thank you very much again. Kindly visit on my description. This is good for giveaways and souvenirs kasi small size lang siya. Madali siyang dalhin at bitbitin at ipamigay. Marami tayong pinaprint nito or pinagawa kasi it's very handy. Mas marami tayong mabibigyan ng ganitong item. And next is a Hope World keychain. You can hang it in your bag or belt strap. A sunflower pin, you can pin it on your t-shirt or bag also. Actually, maraming nakikita na natutuwa sa items na to. These are all made by Jewel Loose Golden Pet. Thank you very much. And ito-plus ko lamang po ang aking gamitin for that event. Dahil mainit ang panahon, kaya kailangan po tayo ay mag-t-shirt lang. E syempre, I will use a eco bag na made of canvas na printed by Neo Graphics Printing Services. And also, bumili rin po ako ng bucket hat. Actually, tatlo yung bucket hat na binili ko. Red, black, and gray. Kaso napili ko yung red kasi mas babagay sa tema ng concert at event ng armies. Ginamitan na rin natin mga freebies. Ayan yung mga pins, tsaka yung Hope World flower, at meron din yung magnet, nilagyan ko rin siya, nilagyan ko lang siya ng pin, and then yung sunflower, and of course, yung hope, the word hope, ano lang siya, ginamitan ko lang siya ng rubber sheet, kinat ko lang siya. And then, eto, nilagay ko rin yung first freebies na natanggap ko sa army before the event. Binigyan niya na kagad ako. And then, syempre, bibigyan din natin siya ng ating freebies. Maging creative lamang po tayo. Kung gusto natin makatipid, ito po ang aking bucket hat na binili ko lamang po sa Orange Up. Actually, tatlo po yan. May red, black, and gray. With the BTS pin, ayan, nilagyan ko lang po ng, ng heart, purple heart. Nakinat ko lang siya na sticker, glittery paper. Syempre, nilagyan din natin ng BTS pins din na ating para match siya sa aking bucket hat. Ginamit ko siya on the first day of UA Army Soul. And sobrang saya po at makikita mo yung mga armies na naka-team attire on that day. They're singing, dancing, and pan-chanting on every song of the BTS. And I will show it on the next upload of the video. Thank you very much, Kang Army, for watching.